Cisco here, the fire escape guy. What's material loss? Material loss is when you add water, air, organic material such as leaves and trees and pigeon poop, and you add it to a metal fire escape that you don't paint and you don't do anything with it. Let's take a look. This is how it looks like it starts, right? It's just water, it's got pigeon poo, it's got organic material, and then you got salt from the winters, you throw it on here, that's that. Then it grows into that, and it starts material loss. It starts eating the material, it starts eating the steel, and look, it's going all the way across, and look how big it gets, okay? Now that's material loss, right? And what happens with that? Well, first of all, a child's foot, a woman's foot, a man's foot gets stuck in there. You can't go down the fire escape anymore. You're breaking ankles, you're breaking legs, all right? And then eventually what happens is, for firemen, for tenants, the whole tread just gives way one day as you're going up with groceries, or you're going down to get into the backyard. And then guess what happens? There's loss, injuries, things break. So this is what material loss looks like. If you give it 25 to 50 years and you just leave it alone, you never paint it, this is what it looks like, guys. This is a life safety concern as we speak right here, okay? Not safe for anybody to get on this.